Hey guys, and welcome back to Momming with Melanie. In today's video, I will be transforming the box that I store all my makeup in into a beauty station. So this is the box where I store all of my makeup. It is very unorganized and annoying, and it's just time for something new. So most of the items that you'll see in this video are from IKEA. The most expensive thing was the mirror. I want to say the total cost of this project was maybe 80 bucks. Here I am just framing out where I will place the shelf and the mirror. What happened? Here I am just drilling the holes to place the anchors. I don't know why I feel so macho when I use power tools. Both my husband and my mother are carpenters, so I'm pretty confident when it comes to home projects. Plus, I'm not very patient, so I don't like to wait around for someone to do something for me. I like to get in there and do it myself.
Switch now and you'll get access to thousands of tickets on us and get up to $750 toward our best bonus. Because the network more people rely on gives you more.
Accidentally let my towel drop. You can get worse for that. Just from the back. I'm just saying. Go allow you do whatever it takes. I'm sure it can go viral. People would talk about it more. We'll go sell it viral.
Well, you and I both know that that's never going to happen.
Why not?
First, because your little cousin's following me. Very concerned about what the bishop got to say, what the pastor got to say.
I'm trying to help you, guys.
Well, do it. Do it.
You're gonna.
We're proud to offer all users for free brands
Cheerios are made with whole
We're gonna do this just from the back. Just a oops. Tripping. Huh? What? You hear me? I can't hear you.
You got like 15% Ike Turner in you.
Nigga, you got all of that in you.
I got
You
Ike in me.
100%. You crazy soul. I want to hear that.
hating. I feel it. He hating on my vanity. Here I'm going to start placing items on the vanity. I use glass fillers to keep my brushes and eye pencils from shifting in the glass. The first one is sort of like a black sand, and the second filler is pearls and diamonds. I also use this opportunity to get rid of any makeup I am no longer using. I'm just going to play around with the placement of these glasses in containers until I am satisfied with how it looks. And here we are, the finished product. Once I got finished, I realized that I might need to go back to IKEA to get another shelf. I realized I had more makeup than I thought. But other than that, I am really excited about how this came out, and I'm even more excited to do my makeup now. I might even film an everyday makeup routine, who knows. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day, and see you in the next video.